If your pergola roof panel joints are leaking water after rain, you gotta fix those leaks fast before things get worse and your outdoor chill spot turns into a soggy mess. Okay, so first off, you want to check all the joints where the roof panels meet because that is usually where water sneaks in. Grab some waterproof sealant that is made for outdoor use, like silicone or polyurethane, since those handle rain and sun like champs. Before you apply anything, clean the joints really well. Wipe away dirt, old sealant, or any mold so the new sealant sticks properly. Use a caulking gun or squeeze tube to run a bead of sealant along every joint, making sure to fill every little gap. Smooth it out with your finger or a tool so it looks neat and seals tight. Let it dry completely before the next rain hits, which usually takes about 24 hours, but check the packaging just in case. If the panels are loose or damaged, tighten screws or replace broken parts first, because sealant won't fix structural issues. Doing this regularly keeps your pergola dry and comfy, so you can enjoy your backyard no matter what. One of the biggest problems with pergola roof panel joints leaking is poor cleaning before sealing, which stops the sealant from sticking right. So always scrub and dry those joints first. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of sealant. Cheap or indoor, only sealants won't hold up to weather, so pick one specifically labeled waterproof and outdoor friendly. Third, not letting the sealant cure fully before rain comes can cause leaks to continue. So plan your sealing on a dry day and wait at least a full day before expecting it to work. Fix these by prepping well, choosing quality sealant, and timing your application smartly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle projects like fixing pergola leaks without hassle. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.